There are several advantages to starting an online business. More than 2.14 billion people do online shopping, making it flexible and with a massive potential reach. By 2026, experts predict that e-commerce sales will have increased by $8.1 trillion. The moment is right if you're thinking of launching a small company online. In this video, we will explore the best online businesses to start as a beginner in 2023. From e-commerce to affiliate marketing, we'll cover all the bases to help you find the perfect online business for you. So are you ready to take the leap and become an entrepreneur in the digital age? Let's get started. Sell stock photos. For a variety of purposes, stock photographers provide licensed photographs. For instance, companies frequently use stock photos in their marketing efforts to enhance their appeal. Purchase a good camera and lighting setup first. Find out what is currently in demand by researching different marketplaces, then optimize your photographs with relevant keywords. To boost your branding, we advise concentrating on a particular niche. For instance, consider how Tanya Servian produces and showcases its creative portraits. Profit potential ranges from 10 cents to $8,100 per image, depending on the distribution method, resolution, and licensing. Launch a YouTube channel. Making videos has become a profitable business strategy due to the growing popularity of content creators. YouTube is the most widely used medium for producing video material, with over 120 million daily active users. You can make videos at home, including reaction commentaries, software lessons, and cooking classes. During the first few months after starting a YouTube channel, concentrate on gaining 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Surpassing those metrics will make you eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, allowing you to monetize the channel. Affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and Patreon crowdfunding are other ways to monetize your website. The average monthly revenue for channels with 100,000 subscribers is $2,400 to $4,000. Create an online course. For everyone who wants to share their expertise online, this is one of the best online business ideas. To increase their market value in the job market and gain new abilities, many people choose online courses. Since the online learning market has become saturated, consider picking a unique subject that others haven't covered. Finally, perform market research to see if the topic has a possible target audience. The Raw Desserts course offered by Crystal Dawn is a great illustration of this type of work. The subject is narrow and targets a small group of people who are passionate about eating healthful plant-based foods. Although there are many other hosted course platforms available, we advise developing a website with an LMS extension. This choice gives you total control over your teaching and revenue-generating strategies. Expected monthly income? $1,000 to $50,000 plus, depending on the platform used for the online courses, the number of students, and the production costs. Buy and sell domain names. When executed right, buying and selling domain names may be a profitable business. High-demand domain names may cost millions of dollars when sold. However, the most sought-after domains are frequently unavailable. Many domain flippers choose names with local keywords, like jobsinlondon.com. Some domains are less expensive and also face less competition. Start by browsing domain checkers or auction websites like Setup for prospective and reasonably priced domains. To improve your chances of making sales, think about buying many names at once. Then create a landing page for the domains you want to sell or send email pitches to potential customers. Keep in mind that finding the proper consumer requires consistent marketing. Become an affiliate marketer. One of the most affordable online business ideas is affiliate marketing. A marketer who uses affiliate links in their work promotes a brand's goods or services. Depending on the volume of purchases made via the affiliate link, they will be paid a commission. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Skimlinks, or hosting your affiliates to start this online business. Create material afterward that is relevant to the links you are making, such as blog articles. The key is to provide unique material that resonates with the interests of the readers. Baby Gear Lab, a website devoted to childcare necessities, is a fantastic example of an affiliate website. It offers comprehensive product reviews and advice for babies. The Baby Gear Lab blog also includes affiliate disclosures that inform readers that the website's owner may get compensation if they click on links and make purchases. Depending on the affiliate program and niche, The projected revenue is roughly $50,000 per year. Start a blog. Starting a blog is a great way for beginners to express their ideas, share their knowledge and expertise, and potentially earn money. To begin, you need to choose a niche that interests you and has an audience. It could be anything from cooking, fashion, health, personal finance, or travel. Once you've decided on a niche, you can choose a blogging platform like WordPress or Blogger to create your blog. Next, you'll need to create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, podcasts, or infographics. It's important to create content that is informative, engaging, and original. You can also use search engine optimization or SEO techniques to improve your visibility and reach a wider audience. As you start to build an audience, you can monetize your blog through various methods like advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. However, it's important to remember that building a successful blog takes time and effort. You need to be consistent in creating content, promoting your blog, and engaging with your audience. Expected earnings range from $100 to $10,000 plus per month, depending on blog operating costs and monetization methods. Start an online store. One of the best small business ideas to consider is opening an e-commerce store to sell clothing or other things. By investigating hot items or focusing on a small niche, you might get ideas for your online business. Although segmenting your expertise might help decrease competition and offer significant growth potential, it may initially draw low traffic volumes. A successful micro-niche firm is Neuro, which produces caffeinated gum and mints. The product was developed by the creators as a healthier alternative to coffee and energy drinks. Make sure to properly calculate the startup cost before opening your online store. The cost of developing a website is influenced by a variety of factors, including its platform and features. A basic small company website might cost between $100 and $500, yet the price might reach $10,000 or even more if the e-commerce site is huge and complex. Along with listing items on your e-commerce website, you may also want to think about selling on social media sites like Facebook or Instagram. Your audience reach may be increased, and money can be raised by varying your sales channels. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is one of the easiest businesses for beginners to start since it is low risk but profitable. This business strategy is collaborating with suppliers to offer their goods on your website. The seller concentrates on selling the products to potential buyers. The vendor takes care of storage and shipment. As inventory management is not required, the initial expenses are relatively low. The average cost of setting up a dropshipping business site is $150. This sum includes a domain name, web hosting service, and membership in a supplier directory like Spocket. As customers cannot physically see the items, this tiny business model depends on their trust. Before working collaboratively, evaluate potential suppliers to avoid problems and deliver top-notch customer service to ensure their satisfaction. Expected monthly income is $200 to $3,000 plus per month, depending on the size of the market and the online store. Become a freelancer. The growth of the gig economy has made freelancing an attractive alternative to the traditional 9-to-5 jobs. 75% of independent consultants said that their income increased from their previous full-time job. People who have worked in the past can leverage their knowledge and the network they've developed to build a professional brand. In almost every field, you can work for yourself. Yet some of the most sought-after jobs online are for writers, graphic designers, and web developers. Choose a specialty and a differentiating feature to help you stand out in the competitive industry before you launch this free online business idea. For example, freelancer Elise Dobson specializes in producing journalistic material for B2B and SaaS businesses. To advertise their skills online, freelancers typically build a website for their portfolio. Depending on the industry and location, the expected income is about $33 per hour. And that's a wrap on our list of the best online businesses to start as a beginner in 2023. From affiliate marketing to online tutoring, we hope you found an idea that piqued your interest. Remember, starting an online business takes dedication and hard work, but with the right mindset and strategy, you can achieve success in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos like this one.